Cocoa beans arrive at the factory, inspected for quality.
Cocoa beans arrive at the factory, inspected for quality. Cocoa beans are stored in a controlled environment.
Cocoa beans are roasted to enhance flavor.
Cocoa nibs are ground into chocolate liquor. Chocolate liquor undergoes conching process. Chocolate mixture is stirred and aerated.
Chocolate is cooled to set. Chocolate is packaged for distribution. Chocolate is inspected for quality. Chocolate is packaged for final distribution.
Chocolate is displayed for export.
Chocolate is inspected for quality before export.
Chocolate is inspected for quality before wholesale.
Chocolate is inspected for quality before wholesale. Chocolate is packaged for retail.
Chocolate is inspected for quality before retail.
Chocolate is packaged for gas stations.
Chocolate is packaged for restaurants.
Chocolate is displayed for restaurants.
Chocolate is inspected for quality before restaurants. Chocolate is packaged for cafes.
Chocolate is packaged for bakeries.
Chocolate is displayed for supermarkets.
Chocolate is displayed for supermarkets. Chocolate is inspected for quality before supermarkets.
Chocolate is inspected for quality before online retailers.
Chocolate is displayed for food manufacturers.
Chocolate is inspected for quality before food manufacturers.
Chocolate is inspected for quality before food manufacturers. Chocolate is packaged for beverage manufacturers.
Chocolate is displayed for beverage manufacturers. Chocolate is inspected for quality before beverage manufacturers.
Chocolate is packaged for ice cream manufacturers.
Chocolate is inspected for quality before ice cream manufacturers. Chocolate is packaged for biscuit manufacturers.
Chocolate is displayed for biscuit manufacturers.
Chocolate is inspected for quality before biscuit manufacturers. Chocolate is packaged for wafer manufacturers.
Chocolate is packaged for wafer manufacturers. Chocolate is displayed for wafer manufacturers.
Chocolate is inspected for quality before wafer manufacturers. Chocolate is packaged for snack food manufacturers.
Chocolate is inspected for quality before snack food manufacturers.
Chocolate is packaged for cereal manufacturers.
Chocolate is inspected for quality before cereal manufacturers.
Chocolate is packaged and displayed for dried fruit manufacturers.
Chocolate is displayed for ice cream suppliers.
Chocolate is inspected for quality before ice cream suppliers.
Chocolate is packaged for biscuit suppliers.
Chocolate is packaged for wafer suppliers.
Chocolate is inspected for quality before wafer suppliers. Chocolate is displayed for cereal suppliers. Chocolate is displayed for cereal suppliers. The finished chocolate product is showcased.